Malacanang says it will consider as a learning point and a continuing challenge the Philippines' drop in ranking in the Forbes Best Countries for Business for 2013. According to Communications Secretary Sonny Coloma, there is room for improvement for the Philippines to fare much better on the list. The Philippines had ranked 90th out of 145 countries in the Forbes Best Countries for Business list for 2013, slightly lower in 2012. This was 3 notches below the country's rank last year.
It's not that there would be room for improvement in all of those aspects. Na marami kasi yung factors na kinoconsider nila, including trade freedom, yung business environment, at kapansin-pansin nga na mula sa number 87 ay bumaba ng bahagya. Para sa amin po, tinuturing natin itong isang continuing challenge para mas mapahusay pa ang ating mga business processes. Katulad din ng ating pagnanasa na mapataas yung ating ranking dun sa transparency, no? Tsaka yung ease of doing business. Marami naman po talagang batayan na ganyan at hindi naman po tayo makokontento dun sa number 90 o number 87. Siyempre mas hangad natin yung mapahanay tayo dun sa katulad ng Singapore na number 7, yung Malaysia at yung Thailand mas mataas po sa atin. Hinahangad din po natin na mapataas ang ating ranking.